In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize checkout page in Woocommerce Elementor. So the first thing you need to do is to head over right here to your woocommerce.com, and then from in there you can head over and click onto the start here in order to create an account, or click onto this login option right here in order to log in altogether. Now in here I also have my Elementor, so head over and click on this get started in order to create an account, or click onto this login in order to log into one. Now in order to customize your WooCommerce checkout page using Elementor, you'll need to use the Elementor page builder along with the plugin like Woocommerce or CardFlows. First, let's head over right here to our actual dashboard that will have it. Now into this part, let's head over right here to our WooCommerce and head over to extensions. Now under this, you can actually install an extension or plugin like Woocommerce or CardFlows. So into this part, head over and then click onto this search marketplace and search in here for Woocommerce. Once you have done that, you should see in here this. We have the charge flow as well that uses AI for the chargebacks and the likes. Now for this part, you can just head over and install this and add it. You can either add or create a new page or edit the default checkout page. In order to add a new one, just head over and click on this add page option that you should be able to see right here. You can see that I have some options right here like shop page, cart page, and in here we have already our checkout page. Just head over and edit this with Elementor if you would want. So in order to do this, just head over and click on edit. And then this should be able to open right here. Now just wait for this to actually load. Make sure to click on this edit with Elementor option and leave. And then after that, you should be able to edit this particular cart page with our actual Elementor. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.